Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and choosing Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now, before creating your alarm, click on those three dots at the top right one and click on Settings. Now you can adjust all of those options under Alarms however you want to. When you're done, go back and hit this button with a plus on it to create new alarm. Finally, set up an hour and save it by hitting OK. Now manage all of those options however you want to. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. Then you can pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones, and even exclude some of them by clicking on this plus next to pause alarm and picking a date when you don't want your alarm to ring. I will go with next Wednesday. When you're done, hit OK. You can always change your mind and remove those customizations by clicking on Remove button next to Pause Alarm. Finally, you can click on this little bell and decide if you wish to select YouTube Music or Spotify, log in to your accounts and use music from those platforms, or tap on Sounds and click on Add New under your sounds to pick any music from your device. If you don't want to do either, just go back and pick one of those sounds, like for example, neon. Now you can tap on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback, and also add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine by tapping on this plus. When you're ready to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully customized. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it completely, click on the top right corner again, but this time select Delete at the bottom left one and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!